Hello, my dear students. Hope all of you are doing well at your home during this lockdown. Hope all of you have got your books till now, and you might have started your studies at your home. So we are studying our lesson number 2 of science, that is plants around us. The purpose of studying this lesson is to make you people familiar about various parts of a plant, and also to make you people familiar about what are various categories of plants we find around us. So first of all, we will discuss various parts of the plant. Also, we will perform some activities for the classification of plants in this session. First of all, the first part we got is roots. Roots is the part of a plant which appears under the ground. This part appears underground and another part appears above the ground. So this is called root system and this is called shoot system. Below the ground we have roots, above ground we have stem, this is called stem, which carries all other parts. All other parts includes buds, flowers, branches, fruits, leaves. So these are all basically the parts of a plant. Let us revise once again. We can have fruits, these are the fruits of the plants. We can have branches, these are branches which carries the leaves and fruits. There is a stem, this part is called stem, which carries all other parts of the plant. We have the bud, दिस अंडर डेवलप्ड पार्ट, ये जो छोटा सा पार्ट है यहाँ पे जहाँ से नई शूट निकलती है, नया लीव निकलता है, दिस इज कॉल्ड बड. देन वी हैव लीव्स, देन वी हैव रूट्स, these are roots, then we have flowers, these are flowers. Now let us discuss the function of each and every part we have studied till now. The first is root. What is the purpose of root? ये जो roots होती हैं इनका काम क्या होता है बेसिकली? इन roots का काम होता है अर्थ से वाटर और मिनरल्स को एब्जॉर्ब करना एक, और दूसरा जो रूट्स होती हैं ये फिक्स करती हैं प्लांट्स को सॉइल में. So roots fixes the plant in the soil and roots also absorb water from the soil. Then we have stem. Stem carries all other parts of the shoot. This I have already told you, जो पार्ट ज़मीन के ऊपर होता है this is called shoot system, और जो पार्ट ज़मीन के नीचे होता है this is called root system. So stem carries all parts of the shoot system. ऊपर वाले सारे parts को कौन contain करता है? Stem. Then we have leaf. The purpose of leaf is to make the food for the plant. पत्तों का काम क्या होता है प्लांट में? प्लांट के लिए खाना बनाना. पत्तों के अंदर एक ग्रीन कलर का सब्सटेंस होता है that is called chlorophyll. What that is called? Chlorophyll. So plants make their food with the help of this chlorophyll, and this chlorophyll is present in the leaf of the plant. So leaves are responsible for making food of a plant. Then we have flowers. Flowers further grows into fruits. फ्लावर्स बाद में क्या बन जाते हैं? पहले फूल निकलते हैं और फूल के बाद उसके ऊपर क्या लग जाता है? फल लग जाता है. Then we have fruits. Fruits stores the seeds of a plant. फ्रूट के अंदर क्या होते हैं? बीज होते हैं जो प्लांट स्टोर करता है. Then we have क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्लांट्स. हम प्लांट्स को कितने अलग अलग तरीक़ों में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, कितने अलग अलग टाइप्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. तो मेन हमारे पास 5 कैटेगरी के प्लांट्स यहाँ पे हमने स्टडी करने हैं. आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ स्मॉल चार्ट फॉर द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्लांट्स. So we can classify the plants into 5 main categories. First is trees, second is shrubs, third is herbs, fourth is climber, and fifth is creepers. So there are 5 categories: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Now this classification has been done on the basis of what is the size of the plant, what are the looks of the plant, what will be the life of a plant. So these are some parameters. इन बातों को ध्यान में रखते हुए प्लांट्स की ये क्लासिफिकेशन की गई है. हमें हर प्लांट्स के बारे में 3 या 4 चीज़ें पता होनी चाहिए. Now let us first discuss about trees. What are trees? ट्रीज़ आर बेसिकली बिग प्लांट्स. बहुत बड़े प्लांट्स होते हैं. इनकी हाइट काफ़ी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती, बहुत बड़ी होती है. देन ट्रीज़ हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग वुडी स्टेम जिसको हम ट्रंक भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. ट्रीज़ की जो स्टेम होती है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है. इट्स नॉट वेरी इजी टू कट अ ट्री. वी रिक्वायर स्पेशल टूल्स टू कट अ ट्री. अगर कभी काटने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है हमें पेड़ को तो. देन इट्स रूट्स आर वेरी डीप. देन अ ट्री कैन लिव फॉर मैनी ईयर्स. देयर आर सम ट्रीज लाइक बनियन ट्री, पीपल ट्री which can live for hundreds of years. I have brought a sample for you to show. This is a small tree, a small plant of lychee tree. So you can see this is when this plant grows to a big plant, it will become a very strong tree. Its stem is very hard, and this stem will become very thick when it grows into a full developed tree. If you see the root of the tree, its root is very long. It goes deep into the soil. So it has a very deep root, and this plant can live for many years, for 50 years, for 60 years, something like that. So we have to remember few things about trees. Trees are basically the big plants. Trees have very strong and woody stem. Their stem is very strong and woody. ये काफ़ी ऐसी लकड़ी की तरह होती है, काफ़ी हार्ड होती है. It's not very easy to break the stem of a full grown tree. Then its roots are very deep. If you observe, its roots are very deep. काफ़ी deep roots होती हैं इसकी. Then it can live for many years. So these 4 things we have to remember about trees. Next we have shrubs. This is the second category of plants. Shrubs, these are basically small plants. These are not as big as trees. These are small plants, but their stem is still woody. काफ़ी hard stem होती है. It's not very easy to break the stem of a full grown shrub. This is a woody stem is there, and that is not very strong, not as strong as that of trees, and these are having bush like structure, right? So shrubs की bush like structures होती है और वो कुछ सालों तक जी पाते हैं. They live for few years. Trees live for many years. So when you compare the trees and shrubs, let us compare both of them. So these are big plants, these are small plants. These are having strong and woody stem. These are having woody stem but not strong. These are having deep roots, and they look like a bush. they have bush like structure. They live for many years and they live for only few years. Yes, these are some example of shrubs. First is, yes, we call it moorpank. Second is a plant of a flower known as 3 p.m. This is a plant of guldaudi, and this is a plant or a shrub of rose. Now you might have observed rose that remains small in size, not big as trees. Its stem is not woody, its stem is not that hard, but its stem is woody. Its stem is also woody, but not that hard as that of trees. Similarly, of this moorpank. Then we have third type of category of tree plants around us, that is herbs. So herbs are basically, these are the small plants and their stem is not woody. They are having thin and weak green stems. So you have to remember this. They are having thin and weak green stems, and they live for one season or for 2 seasons. And some examples of herb category of plants are mint and ladyfinger. So one sample I have brought for you people, that is mint. So mint is basically a herb. This remains small in size. Its stem is not woody. If you have observed the stem of the mint, it's not too hard as that of rose or as that of neem tree. So its stem is not woody and its stem is thick, very thin, quite thin and weak. We can break the stem of mint plant with hand easily. So they are having weak and thin stem and it remains for few seasons. Then we have next category of plants called as climbers. Climbers, as the name suggests, they cannot stand straight up at their own. अपने आप सीधे खड़े नहीं हो सकते ये वाले plants. They require a support to climb up, and they are having thin and weak stems. इनकी जो स्टेम होती है वो काफ़ी थिन होती है और वीक होती है. इसी वजह से ये प्लांट्स जो हैं वो अपने आप सीधे खड़े नहीं हो सकते और इनको ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए क्या चाहिए, एक सपोर्ट चाहिए. These are some examples of